how are you today? Welcome back to our channel, that is Season and Tempo with Neelam, where we make quick and easy yet delicious food recipes. The chicken soup which we are making today is one of the great home remedy for cold and cough, as it helps to reduce the stuffy nose and congestion as well. Even you can give the chicken soup to babies from 8 months onwards. Just before giving them, strain it and they'll love it.
You can see the ingredients required are really simple. We are not going to make any paste or masala for this, and the detailed ingredient list I'll provide you in the description box. We are going to make this chicken soup for around 4 to 5 people. For that I have taken 1 bowl of chicken pieces with bones or 200 grams of chicken, and I have already marinated this with 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, lemon juice of half lemon, ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon and salt 1 teaspoon. Keep this marinated chicken aside for 30 minutes and that's it. Now we are going to make this chicken soup inside pressure cooker. So for that, first we'll hit the pressure cooker. In that we'll add 1 tablespoon of ghee or unsalted butter. Once that is heated well, we'll add half cup of chopped curry leaves in it and 5 to 6 green chilies. Green chilies anytime you can adjust it as per your taste. I have slitted them lengthwise. Now stir it for some time and we'll add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds in it. Our tempering for this soup is done. Now fry this for 2 to 3 minutes, saute in between, and we'll add marinated chicken which we have marinated with turmeric powder, salt, lemon juice and ginger garlic paste. Mix them all very well together and we are going to fry our chicken pieces on medium to high flame for around 5 to 10 minutes. I am following the exact recipe explained to me by my mother, as since childhood we are tasting this soup and it tastes delicious. Now we'll keep the lid on and now see all the flavors and the water from the chicken gets released. In this recipe, frying our chicken pieces is really important. Now it's time to add our dry spices. So here I am adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. In that we'll add cinnamon powder 1 teaspoon. This is really important. And black pepper powder 1 teaspoon. That's it. In this soup we are not adding red chili powder. So for adjusting the spice level, you have to adjust black pepper and green chilies accordingly. In this we'll add half cup of finely chopped coriander leaves. Mix it all very well together. We have to fry this also for 2 to 3 minutes on medium to high flame. That's it. Now it's time to add water in it. I'm making this soup for 5 people in my home, and for that, firstly I'll add 2 glasses of water. We'll stir in between and again add rest of our 2 glasses of water. As for 5 people, this much water is enough. Now we are going to add salt as per our taste. If you want to make it for more people, then just add more water and adjust the spices like salt, black pepper and chilies. That's it. Now we'll keep the lid on and on high flame. We have to wait till our soup started boiling. Now we'll remove the lid and wow, what the aroma it is having. Not too much spices, right? But still it tastes delicious. Try it by yourself. And you know, every time when I cook different recipes, one thought always comes in my mind, like
there should be one provision wherein I can share that aroma with you all guys. I know this is not possible, so make it by yourself, feel that aroma, enjoy the dishes and do also let me know how it was.
As our soup started boiling, it's time to close the lid of our pressure cooker and we have to give 5 to 6 whistles or cook it on slow to medium flame till 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, let the pressure cooker cool down completely and our super simple, delicious, tasty and healthy chicken clear soup is ready to serve. Enjoy it with your friends and family during winter or rainy season, or if you are having cold and cough.
If you like this recipe, do let me know in the comment box and don't forget to click on like and share button and share it with your friends and family too. Have you subscribed to our channel? If yes, thank you so much for being part of our Seasonal Temper family, and if not yet, just click on the subscribe button below this recipe and don't forget to click on that bell icon so that whenever I'll upload a new video, you'll get the notification right at that time and you will not miss a single recipe from our channel. Thank you so much and have a nice day.